Okay, in this video, we are going to create our very first Epsillion Publisher document. So I've already got Epsillion Publisher open, and I'm just going to go to my desktop and enter this folder that I've created called New Epsillion Document. You can call your folder anything that you want, but this will suit our purposes. And I'm going to create a new Microsoft Word document. We'll call it New Epsillion Doc. And again, we can call this anything that we want, but this is going to be the basis of our new PDF and ultimately later down the line, if we want, our new web page. So in Microsoft Word, there's the Microsoft Word ribbon at the very top here, and we just want to select the Epsillion tab in that ribbon, and we want to insert a header. So I'm going to click this button that says header, and every single Epsillion Publisher document has to have a header. So we need to make sure that we get that in there. We'll enter a title. We'll call it maybe My First Epsillion Document. And we'll give it a subtitle, Learning to Use Epsillion. And the author is me, Ian Saxon. And for period, we can enter all kinds of things. But since it's February, I'll enter February. For the year, it's 2018, so I could enter 2018, but one of the cool things about Epsillion is I could just enter this variable name, year, and then no matter what year it is, Epsillion will always print the current year. So that's a bit of a time saver. And then I'll enter this columns container, and the number that you see here, it says 2. This is the number of columns that we're going to see in our final PDF. I could also enter 1 if I wanted to, but I think I'll stick with 2. And then I just need to enter some text. And instead of typing a whole bunch of text, I'm going to grab and just copy and paste a whole bunch of lorem ipsum text. It's just a bunch of random Latin letters. I'm just going to press Control-A to select everything, and then right-click and copy it all, and then paste it into this columns container. And that's it. And then I'll just hit save. And then I'll go back to Epsillion. And currently Epsillion is in this folder called desktop. And we need to change that. So what I'm going to do is just click this button here and go to New Epsillion Document. So open that folder up. And the other way that I could do that, by the way, is by clicking this button here and browsing to that folder. So if I wanted to do it that way, I would just go to desktop and then New Epsillion Document and then say yes, select folder. So I'm in that folder now, and I can see my Word document. That is this document here, New Epsillion Doc. So that's the document, and I just want to upload that. So that's going to upload that document to the Epsillion servers, and then I'm going to hit Make PDF. And on the Epsillion server that's processing the document right now, it's creating a PDF for us. And we could also, once that's finished, or even instead of, we could have pressed Make HTML, for example, and that would make us a web page. But let's go for the PDF for now. So give it a couple of seconds to process here. And here is the resulting PDF. So everything that we've entered, my first Epsillion document, learning to use Epsillion. And then here is all of our text. And that's it. And then we could also open up the PDF if we want. We could just click this button that says Open PDF, and that'll open up the actual physical PDF, and we can browse through it. And there we go. So that is creating our very first Epsillion Publisher document.